About the division of a fraction. In division of a fraction, first topic we are going to see is that division of a fraction by a whole number. How we are going to divide a fraction by a whole number. Whole number is nothing but positive numbers like 2, 3, 4, 28, 29 like that. Then division of a fraction by a fraction. How to divide a fraction by a fraction. Okay, students. Then one more thing you need to understand. Division is nothing but it is the reverse of the multiplication. For example, I am saying is that 5 into 2 I am saying that is nothing but 10. Now if I am saying 10 divided by 2, what is 10 divided by 2? It is nothing but 5. How? In 2 table how many times 10 will go? 5 times. So answer is 10, which is nothing but now 5 into 2 is nothing but 10. That is, do you understand, students? Multiplication is the reverse of the division, or division is the reverse of the multiplication. Understood, students? So in division of a fraction we will have a multiplication also. Let me see how we are going to do it. See here, first division of a fraction by a whole number. See here, to divide a whole number by a fraction, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. What they are saying is that if you are going to divide a whole number by a fraction, or whole number 28 அப்படிங்கிற நம்பரை வச்சு if you are going to divide by a divided by 2 by 5 means by a fraction means what you need to do, you need to multiply. I have already said in division we will have multiplication also, because division is the reverse of that of multiplication. So if you are going to divide a whole number by a fraction, what you need to do? First you need to multiply. How to multiply? Multiply the whole number. The whole number எது கூட multiply பண்ணணும்? Reciprocal. புரியுதா students? If they are giving a question, see here, 28 divided by 3 by 5 if they are giving, what you need to do is that in the whole number you are going to multiply. இது அப்படியே இந்த division you are going to change it into multiplication. Fraction multiply பண்ணும்போது what you need to do is first convert the division into multiplication. Division multiplication convert பண்ணி you need to do the process, but it is nothing but the division தான். ஓகேவா? 28 divided by, இப்போ இதோட reciprocal என்ன? 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 மாத்திட்டு then you need to do. Understood, students? This is nothing but division of a fraction by a whole number. Division first you need to convert into multiplication. எப்படி multiplication convert பண்ணனும்? The fraction you need to reciprocal of a fraction மாத்தணும். இந்த 3 by 5 இதுதான fraction, இத reciprocal மாத்தணும்னா எப்படி? அது அப்படியே reverse பண்ணனும் 5 by 3. ஆனா அந்த whole number அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா students? Understood? See, in case of dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, இப்போ ஒரு mixed fraction கொடுத்தா okay, you will directly change it into multiplication by reversing the fraction. If they give a mixed fraction, what you will do? First convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction, then solve it. First inga 27 divided by 3 2 by 5. This is a fraction இருந்தப்ப what you did, you directly reciprocaled it and then you multiplied. If they are giving it as a multiplication mixed fraction கொடுத்தா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You need to convert it into a fraction. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? 5 into 3 is nothing but 15. So 15 plus 2 is nothing but 17. So 17 by 5. இப்போ இந்த 27 divided by, இப்போ இந்த improper you have changed mixed fraction you have changed into improper fraction. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? How you will change the division into multiplication? இது வந்து division operation தான், but you are converting division into multiplication. How you will change this into multiplication? 27 into இதோட reciprocal என்ன? 17 by 5. This is the fraction here, so you need to take reciprocal of this. 17 by 5 na 5 by 17. Then you need to perform. Then you will see whether it is able to cancel anywhere. இங்க ஏதாவது கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பார்க்கணும். கேன்சல் பண்ண முடிஞ்சதா கேன்சல் பண்ணிடணும். ஓகேவா? Then you need to perform the multiplication. That's all about the division of a fraction. Now we will see an example of it. See here. See, I am having an example with a mixed fraction. 6 divided by 3 3 by 5. See what they are doing here. First they are converting this mixed fraction into fraction, improper fraction. So 5 into 3 is nothing but 15. 15 plus 3 is nothing but 18. So 18 by 5. இப்போ இது கிடைச்சிருச்சா? Now the answer is 6 divided by 5. The improper mixed fraction we have changed it into improper fraction. That is nothing but 6 divided by 18 by 5. Understood, students? Is a mixed fraction அப்படியே இங்க சேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? Then you need to change the division into multiplication. How you need to change? 6 divided by 18 by 5 இருக்கு. We need to change this into multiplication. How? 6 into இதோட reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 18 by 5? It is 5 by 18. Understood, students? Understood? See, they have changed here. Now see, whether we are able to cancel anything here. If nothing is there in the denominator, what I have said, you have to put as 1. Okay, students? In 6 table, 1s are 6, 3s are 18. Understood? So the answer is 5 by 3. Now since the question is in mixed fraction, you need to convert it into mixed fraction, that is you need to divide. That's all. This is nothing but division of a fraction by a fraction. Okay students, normal division கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா division பண்ண முடியாது. You need to convert it into multiplication and then do the operation. How you will convert it into multiplication? You need to change the fraction into reciprocal of a fraction. Understood? ஒரு ஃப்ராக்ஷனை ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆஃப் அ ஃப்ராக்ஷனாக மாற்றிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் யூ நீட் டு பெர்ஃபார்ம் தி ஆன்சர். 6 divided by 18 by 5 இருக்குது. ஹவு ஐ எம் சேஞ்சிங் 6 into 5 by 18 மாற்றிட்டு யூ நீட் டு பெர்ஃபார்ம் தி ஆப்ரேஷன். நவ் வி வில் சி ஃபார் தி திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் தி ஹோல் நம்பர், because whole number means 6. 6 whole number, we are dividing it into a fraction. Now we will see how to divide a fraction by a fraction. Understood students? See here students, we will see some other example also. See here, a thread is 7 by 10 meter long. It is divided into 2 equal parts. We have a thread is nothing but or நூல் இருக்கு. It is 7 by 10 meter long and it is divided into ரெண்டா கட் பண்றாங்க. It is divided into 2 equal parts. What is the length of each part? And the 7 by ஒரு thread 7 by 10 meter thread ரெண்டா கட் பண்றாங்க. It is divided into 2 equal parts. ஒரு பார்ட்டோட எவ்வளோ மீட்டர், ஒரு பார்ட்டோட எவ்வளோ லென்த்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா? Now length of the thread is nothing but 7 by 10 meter. ஓகேவா students? Length of each part 7 by 10ங்கிறது மீட்டர். It is divided into 2 equal parts. Understood? It is divided into 2 equal parts. And one more thing you need to understand, divideக்கு ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க நம்பரை, இந்த நம்பரை தான் ரெசிப்ரோக்கலாக மாற்றுறோம். இங்கே ஃப்ராக்ஷன் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த நம்பரை வந்து ரெசிப்ரோக்கலாக மாற்றக்கூடாது. அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? டிவிஷனுக்கு இந்த சைடில் இருக்க ரைட்டில் இருக்க நம்பரை தான் யூ நீட் டு சேஞ்ச் இட் இன்டூ, இதை தான் இப்போ ரெசிப்ரோக்கலாக மாற்றணும். வாட் ஐ ஹவ் செட், இஃப் தே கிவ் அ ஹோல் நம்பர், இதோட 2ஓட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் என்ன? 1/2. Since there is a fraction here, don't change this fraction as a reciprocal. டிவிஷனுக்கு ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க நம்பர் தான் யூ நீட் டு சேஞ்ச் இட் இன்டூ ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? See here, they have changed this 2 into 1/2. Okay students, 2 into 1/2. See whether we are able to cancel anything here. We are not able to cancel anything here. So 7 into 1 7, 10 into 2 20, 7 into 20 meter. Each length, each part of the length is 7 by 20 meter. Understood students? If they give 7 by 10 divided by 8, you need to change this 8 only into reciprocal. டிவிஷனுக்கு ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க, டிவிஷன் சிம்பிளுக்கு ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க நம்பரை தான் you need to change it into reciprocal. Next we will see division of a fraction by a fraction. See here, to divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of another fraction. What they are saying is that, what already have said, டிவிஷனுக்கு ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க நம்பர் தான் யூ நீட் டு, இஃப் இட் இஸ் அ ஹோல் நம்பர் ஆர் ஃப்ராக்ஷன், லெட் இட் பி எனிதிங், சேஞ்ச் தி ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க டிவிஷன் சிம்பிளோட ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க நம்பரை தான் யூ நீட் டு சேஞ்ச் இட் இன்டு reciprocal. That only they are saying, to divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction with the first fraction or the second fraction ஓட reciprocal எடுத்து தான் multiply பண்ணணும். Understood students? While dividing the mixed fraction கொடுத்தா what you need to do? First convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then solve. See the example here, we have both one as a fraction. See here, 3 by 15 divided by 21 by 25. So what I have said, 3 by 15. டிவிஷனுக்கு ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க இந்த நம்பர் வந்து லெஃப்ட். ஸோ ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க நம்பர் தான் யூ நீட் டு டேக் அ ரெசிப்ரோக்கல். ஸோ 21 by 25 ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் வந்து 25 by 21. See whether we are able to cancel here. In 5 table 3s are here, 5 5s are. Understood students? This 3 will be cancelled. So answer will be 5 by 21. It should be reduced, whatever the multiplication, division or addition, it should be reduced to the lowest form. So after this we cannot cancel this number. Understood students? The right side இருக்க number you need to take a reciprocal and then multiply it. Reciprocal எடுத்த உடனே you need to change it into multiplication. Don't keep it as a division. Okay students? We are just changing it as a multiplication. Reciprocal மாத்திட்டு you need to change it as a multiplication. See here, இங்கே டிவிஷனில் இருக்குது, ரெசிப்ரோக்கலாக எடுத்தோன்னே it is changing into, the sign is changing into multiplication. Now we will see another example. See students, here they have given the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction means what you need to do, convert it into improper. So 5 into 2, இதையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும், இதையும் வர ஆன்சரை இது கூட ஆட் பண்ணும். So 5 into 2 is nothing but 10, 10 plus 2 is nothing but 12. So 12 by 5. See here students, 12 by 5. Then convert this as a mixed fraction. 5 into 10, 50. So 51 by 5. See here, 51 by 5. So you need to divide 12 by 5. 12 by 5 divided by 51 by 5. இதோட mixed fraction வந்து இது 10, 1 by 5 is is converted into 51 by 5. Now see, division irundhaku what I have said, you need to convert it into multiplication. Now you will convert 12 by 5 into, take the reciprocal of 51 by 5. So 5 by 51. 5 cancel. Now 12 fours are here, 17s are. Understood students? So answer is 4 by 17. Understood? This is nothing but just take the fraction into the lowest form. Next we will see the next problem solving method. See here, a tank contains 266 2 by 3 liters of water. A bucket has a capacity of 8 by 9 liters. How many buckets full of water can be taken out from the tank to empty it completely? What they are saying is, a tank full of water, it has a capacity of 266 by 2 by 3 liters. ஒரு பக்கெட்டை வச்சு அந்த டேங்கை நீங்கள் ஃபில் பண்ணணுன்னா எத்தனை தடவை அந்த பக்கெட்டால் வாட்டர் ஃபில் பண்ணி அந்த டேங்கை ஃபில் பண்ண முடியும்? how many times you need to pour water in the bucket to fill the tank? ஓகேவா? capacity of the tank is nothing but 266 2 by 3. bucket is nothing but this. So they are converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction here also. Now 800 divided by the tank தான் ஃபில் பண்ண போகிறாங்க. அந்த பக்கெட்டோட கெப்பாசிட்டி வந்து 80 by 9. now you need to convert the division into multiplication. So 9 by 8. Ones are, okay, this is 80. Tens are 100. 10 will be cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So the answer is 30. 10 by 3 is nothing but 30. So we need 30 buckets to fill the tank. And the tank fill பண்றதுக்கு we need 30 buckets of water. Understood students? Try to solve the practice zone sums also. Practice zone 4, that is first one is write the reciprocal of 9 2 by 3. Then we have 2 problem sums. Try to solve the practice zone 4 and I will give some other examples also. Thank you students. You will see the main thing we need to remember. When a fraction is divided by 1, the answer is fraction itself. See here, when 1 by 3 is divided by 1, the answer is the fraction itself. Whereas a fraction is divided by fraction, the same fractional divided, then also the answer will be 1. See here. Understood student? Fraction or mixed fraction? Always we need to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction, and then only we need to perform the division operation. Then division should be changed into multiplication. This is the main thing. You need to remember this one. When a fraction is in 1 mark, they may ask fraction is divided by 1 means the answer is what? Then when a fraction is divided by itself, the answer is always 1. When we need to, how you will convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction and then divide it. Then divide the fraction. See the practice zone 4 first question. Here we have they have said to find the reciprocal of 9 2 by 3. First you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then take the reciprocal. Understood students? Then solve the second one and third one also. Thank you students.